Welcome to this year's version of a baker's dozen of solid edge tips and tricks. These tips and tricks are inspired by questions from our tech line and questions received from training. As always, this presentation will be posted on our blog site in the near future. Plus, you do not need Solid Edge 2025 to use these tips and tricks that you're about to see. And remember, please save any questions until the end of the presentation. Tips and tricks number 1, how to quickly change default templates. Users can quickly and easily change their default templates by going to the New tab of the startup screen. Then select the Edit List link. This will provide users with the template list creation dialog, and users can select the desired standard for their default templates. Let's have a quick look at this in Solid Edge. Notice that I'm on the New tab of the startup screen, and my current default templates are the isometric standard. If I want to change my default templates to the ANSI inch standard, as an example, I select the Edit List link. This will launch the Template List Creation dialog, and you'll notice the list of standards that are delivered in Solid Edge. This window lists the current default templates which appear on your startup screen. From the standard list, I'll select the ANSI inch standard and click OK. Notice that the default templates have changed to the ANSI inch standard. If ever needed, I can switch back to the isometric standard by repeating the same steps. Tips and tricks number 2, how to control the size of the steering wheel and Quick View Cube. Solid Edge provides 4 size settings for the steering wheel, Orient Express tool, and the Quick View Cube. The size settings can be controlled by selecting the Solid Edge Options Helpers tab and selecting the size from the steering wheel, Orient Express, and View Cube size pull-down menu. Let's have a quick look at this in Solid Edge. From the synchronous part environment, I've positioned the steering wheel above the Quick View Cube for this demonstration. I'll open Solid Edge Options. In the Helpers tab, I expand the pull-down menu under the steering wheel, Orient Express, and View Cube Size option. I select the small setting and click OK. Notice the size of the steering wheel and the Quick View Cube. I'll repeat this and show you the extra large setting size. Again, notice the size of the steering wheel and the Quick View Cube. I tend to use the large setting, so I'll change this back to my preference. Tips and tricks number 3, how to change the volume units. The current default setting for metric units when measuring volume is millimeters cubed. We've had several requests asking how to change this unit to liters. Unit types can be changed in Solid Edge Options, Units tab, by clicking on the value cell and selecting the unit type from the pull-down menu. Let's have a quick look at this in Solid Edge. I've opened the plastic sphere part, and I want to determine the volume of this component. I'll run the Physical Properties command from the Inspect tab, and notice the volume is listed in millimeters cubed. To show this in liters, I'll open the Solid Edge Options dialog and select the Units tab. I'll locate the volume unit and click on the value cell. Here I can select the desired unit type. I'll select liters and click OK. Now when I run the Physical Properties command, notice that the volume is measured in liters. Tips and tricks number 4, Translator options. We receive numerous calls regarding difficulties with translating files. When we ask users what options were used in the translations, many appear unaware that options exist. Whenever you import or export files through translators, you have the option to control what gets imported or exported. This is done through the options settings. These options are found on the Open dialog and the Save as Translated dialog. I will demonstrate one of these shortly in conjunction with the next tip.